Hi, my name is Shreya Soni, and today I'll briefly present my research on utilizing an engineered Escherichia coli Nissle 1917 as an inflammation-responsive probiotic for celiac disease therapy. Before getting into the proposed solution and treatment, we must understand what celiac disease is. Affecting approximately 1 in 100 people worldwide, celiac disease is an autoimmune inflammatory condition triggered by gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. It has a higher prevalence among individuals carrying the HLA-DQT and HLA-DQ8 genetic haplotypes, and the key effects include damage to small intestinal mucosa, gastrointestinal symptoms, nutrient malabsorption, and systemic manifestations. As you can see here on the side, in the typical gut, the villi are healthy and they look like this. However, in a gut with celiac disease, the small intestine eventually degrades, which prevents the villi from accomplishing their job of absorbing those essential nutrients. Now, our current treatments on this disease are pretty limited, and the only successful treatment so far has been a strict adherence to a gluten-free diet. However, this is difficult to maintain due to cross-contact, and it doesn't always fully prevent intestinal damage. Some drugs and treatments are still being developed, including relacinitab by Pfizer and amlitelimab by Sanofi. However, again, these drugs and treatments are in their research and development phase and have not been cleared by the FDA for wide-scale use and treatments. My goal with this project is to engineer the probiotic bacterium E. coli Nissle 1917 to detect inflammatory signals in the gut and respond by secreting an anti-inflammatory protein to reduce damage caused by the disease. Specifically, the engineered bacteria express a nanobody that binds to tumor necrosis factor alpha, or TNF-α, a key molecule involved in gut inflammation. When TNF-α is detected, the bacteria are designed to secrete interleukin-10, also known as IL-10, which is an anti-inflammatory cytokine that helps calm the immune response and promote healing in the intestinal lining. This approach aims to provide a real-time and localized treatment, reducing dependence on diet alone while supporting gut healing. Future work includes test efficacy in lab models, ensuring biosafety and containment, and exploring delivery methods, such as capsules. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to advancing this research to improve the lives of people with celiac disease. Feel free to reach out to ssoni2027 at student.andoverma.us for any further questions.